Did you know that you cannot tell the difference between a male robin and a female robin unless you have a DNA test? Or unless it's the breeding season and you see the female on a nest, because the males don't go on the nest. And also if you see a robin feeding a robin, the one that's doing the feeding got suets. My little robin's there. The one that's doing the actual feeding is the male, and the female is the one that's being fed. And that's how it should be in reality with humans. Okay, I was sat here to give you fun facts about robins, because what happened was I came and visited a robin yesterday, and I'm looking over there because he's over there now. So it spent the whole hour with me, and I thought, I'll come back today to see if I can find the robin. And he's back immediately. But I wanted to also talk to you about robins. But while I'm talking to you, I'm just going to share with it some suet pellets, because they love mealworm and they love suet pellets. I've got a pair of scissors. I'm just going to chuck that over for Mr. Robin. Okay, so I've got some notes here. Did you know that they sing all year round, but their song gets happier in the summer? And did you know that the young ones don't have bright red chests because they need to be protected from the older robins because they're really territorial? Did you also know that they're as light as an AA battery? So if you think of, I don't know what uses an AA battery today, but in my day, a Walkman used to have 2 AA batteries in, really, really tiny. That's how light they are. They're very, very tame. They eat things like earthworms and berries and seeds, but they love suet. So if you ever want to feed them upside down. Anyway, it's got a robin on the cover. This is the sad bit. Because of harsh winters and natural predators, the average lifespan of a robin is about 13 months. Oh. But if they survive their first year, they can live for several years, and the oldest recorded wild robin living was 19 years old. I hear you. This robin isn't the same robin as yesterday because it's got a dark... Oh my God, it's got a dark chest, which means it's really, really young. I wonder if I could get you to see it. That is a really young robin. So that robin didn't come back. So I'm sitting here. I've come to a different place. There's building work going on, which is so sad. But if you listen, I can hear a robin. So I had come here this morning and my little robin from yesterday wasn't here. So I went a walkabout, so I took some photographs of a really baby robin, but I've come back at the same time that I did yesterday, and guess what? He's here, or she's here. I'm going to call her she, and I'm going to name her Susie, and she's there. She's right over there, so I'm going to get some footage of her, hopefully. She's so gorgeous. I have bought mealworm. So robins love mealworm. So come on, Susie. Come and have your mealworm. Come on, Susie.